Welcome back, guys. As you saw in the previous video, we installed the Vtec head, and now it's time to finish everything else. High five to my girl for spotting me. She's a great helper. Now let's tighten down the head bolts with the Allen key and the nuts. First, we'll torque the head down to spec. I did 3 torque sequences in total, but you're only seeing 1 here. With that done, we can move on to installing the water pipe, which I already sandblasted and painted. I'm using a new OEM O-ring on the pipe and tightening the bolts as shown, leaving the thermostat housing hand tight for now. Next, let's install the 10 AN oil fittings on the block. These will connect to the oil catch can once the motor is back in the car. Before we move on, I sealed the remaining plug with ultra gray silicone to prevent any future leaks. Now it's time for the block's Vtec conversion adapter plate, which allows Vtec to work on this LS block. Once it's tightened down and secure, we'll move on to the oil cooler sandwich plate, an important piece for this turbo build to help keep oil temps under control and extend the turbo's life. Next, I'm installing the timing belt tensioner with its spring, followed by the crank timing gear, and finally, we'll drop in the camshafts. That's where we'll pause for now. We'll continue in the next video. Stay tuned for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.